Hey, I'm Jen, Nico's assistant. At the moment, I'm writing a cue for a scene and I'm using a Cubase feature that you may not know. So I thought to make a quick video about it. It's called Swing Quantize, and it can help you bring some more interest to your rhythms. Let's take a look. I have this simple line of pizzicato ensemble strings. At the moment, each note is hard quantized to the grid. This is how it sounds. These few bars are written in binary. If I'd have used triplets, it would be ternary. Swing is somewhat in between these two. Cubase, like most DAWs, lets you change your grid to use swing. In order to do that, you simply have to open the quantize panel. In it, you will find the swing value expressed in percents. 0% means no swing and 100% is the maximum level of swing that you can use. So I raise it to about 70%. Look at how the grid appearance is changing. The notes didn't move though, but they are not aligned to the grid anymore. I will select them all and click on Quantize. Let's now hear how the feel of this phrase has changed. Hear this? It feels immediately more bouncy. Let me just undo the swing quantize and let's hear it again without swing at all. And now, I use swing quantize again. And voila, that's all there is to it, but it's definitely one of these little tricks that can change the feel of your music. Go experiment with swing a little bit, but most importantly, stop watching videos and go write some great music.